2016 marked a significant milestone for the Intermountain Generating Station. 30 years of continuous operations, generating electricity around the clock. Enough electricity for 1.5 million homes. This was the scene in 1986.
This project demonstrates to the whole country that industry thrives in Utah. Now I'd like to introduce the man who understands the benefit of industry to Utah, perhaps better than anyone, Governor Norman H. Bangerter.
On behalf of the citizens of Utah, I'd like to welcome all of the visitors who are here from California, Nevada, and other parts of the country, and of course all of you that are here from our great state. As I look over this tremendous project, I'm proud of the accomplishment that it represents. Today I'm here to tell you congratulations. Congratulations to the participants in this great project, and congratulations to the more than 20,000 productive people who had a hand in this achievement. This has been a fine example of the benefits that a cooperative venture can provide for all of us. There was extensive employment during the construction of the project. State revenues will benefit for over 40 years, and as you know, I'm grateful for that. 600 permanent jobs have been created, and many others will be created and have been created in our mining industry and the coal extraction. The surrounding community has had the advantage of a planned and orderly development. One of the more important benefits has been the demonstration of cooperation between states and communities within the states. We in Utah are proud of the pioneering spirit and heritage that we enjoy, and we're convinced that this project demonstrates that spirit.
Cooperation and a pioneering spirit continue today as the Intermountain Generating Station continually strives for excellence in safety and operational performance. A lot has changed since 1986, but one thing remains constant: a commitment to diligent stewardship of a pillar of the Utah economy. Located in Millard County, Utah, the Intermountain Generating Station is comprised of two 900-megawatt coal-fueled generators linked to the Western power grid by a pair of project-owned transmission systems. In fiscal 2016, changes in Western power markets contributed to lower electricity generation, even as the Intermountain Generating Station achieved excellent levels of availability and reliability. Net generation was 10,026 gigawatt hours, the second lowest output in the project's history. Because the generating station operated at a reduced level in response to market demands, efficiency also decreased. Net facility heat rate was 9,767 BTUs per kilowatt hour, which ranks 25th in project history. Despite reductions in output and efficiency, the Intermountain Generating Station remained a model for availability and reliability. The equivalent availability factor of 93.1% ranked 10th out of 29 years, while the year's equivalent forced outage rate of 0.46% was the fourth best performance in the project's history. Decreased electricity generation results in decreased coal consumption. In fiscal 2016, Intermountain Generating Station consumed 4.38 million tons of coal, the fourth lowest annual amount in project history. As power purchasers continued to demand less coal-fueled electricity, the project has taken steps to expand coal storage at the generating station site in order to accommodate coal purchases that are already committed. Decreased electricity generation also creates challenges for operation and maintenance at the power plant. Generating units that previously ran at steady baseload rates are increasingly being called upon to cycle between various output levels. This accelerates wear on some components of the generating station. In response to the changing generation profile, a low-load task force was created to examine impacts on a wide range of generating station systems and processes. The recommendations from this initiative will be used to help guide operations and maintenance activities over the next several years. Careful operations and maintenance are key to IPP's high availability and reliability. A 5-week planned maintenance outage for Unit 1 was completed at the end of April 2016. Major projects undertaken include chemical cleaning of boiler piping, main transformer cooling system upgrade, turbine main system control valve replacement with rebuilt spares, boiler superheat outlet header crack repairs, switchyard breaker replacements, ongoing concrete repairs in the cooling towers, replacement of deaerator flash tanks, and robotic inspection of the water line from DMAD reservoir to the power plant. Unit 1 and Unit 2 were both offline for 1 week during April to accommodate maintenance on the DC transmission system, including installation of a new transformer at Adelanto. One of IPP's most remarkable operating accomplishments continued in 2016, as no boiler tube leaks were experienced during the fiscal year. Boiler tube leaks, which are common at large coal-fueled power plants, are an unusual event at Intermountain because of the project's aggressive boiler tube failure reduction program. As of September 30, 2016, Unit 1 had completed 968 days without any lost generation caused by tube leaks. Unit 2 had completed 1,854 days, more than 5 years of operation, with no lost time caused by tube leaks. Intermountain Generating Station has had only 1 tube leak since September 2011. None of these accomplishments would be possible without the performance of IPP's greatest asset, its skilled workforce. In an effort to protect that asset, a behavior-based safety program was launched in 2014. Entitled VOLTS, Valuing Our Lives Through Safety, the program trains and deploys observers throughout the facility to identify, evaluate, and document at-risk behaviors. 100% of generating station employees have now been trained as VOLTS observers. During fiscal 2016, 13,681 observations by 405 active observers were recorded. Many of the Intermountain Generating Station's employees have worked at the plant from the beginning. Consider this scene from 1986.
John Finlinson, Unit 1 control operator, describes the testing activities.
Right now, we're getting ready for the first initial turbine roll, which is scheduled to start either Friday or Saturday in the next 2 days. And the process right now is, the main concern is setting the boiler safeties. Where yesterday we set them hydrostatically, which means they maintain a steady pressure and then jack them up to where they want them to go off. And today they're going to actually lift the safeties with boiler pressure at different intervals, and they go from 2,900 to 3,500 psi. Safety is a pressure relief valve that protects the boiler from overpressurization.
Here's John Finlinson today.
The Intermountain Generating Station is more than just a power plant. To the people who have dedicated entire careers to its care and operation, it's part of our lives and our community. And we're very proud of the contribution this power plant has made to our state. We're especially proud of the people who come to work every day for their commitment to safety and professionalism. We look forward to continuing to meet every challenge that is presented to us. The past 30 years has been a testament of what we can do working together. Thank you, and we look forward to providing clean, reliable energy for our participants well into the future.